It's Runway Monday.
If I had some do's and don'ts for models who are just coming into the industry, I'll start with the do's. Do know who you are and what you want. Do go out for auditions, meet people, network, meet other models. You make friends with models and they'll let you know, hey, there's an audition for such and such, or hey, there's this going on. So you can really book some work through networking. Do get some nice quality photos, because 90 to 95% of auditions are through electronic submissions. So we're gonna have to send in your photos before you even get invited to come to the audition. So you definitely wanna make sure you have some great quality photos. Find photographers where if you see their photos, you're like, yes, I like this is nice. You don't necessarily have to, starting out, you don't need to go to the first photographer that charges you $1,500 for a photo, because there are plenty of photographers out there who are looking to build their books, which are doing what's called TFP, which is time for print, where you spend their time, they spend their time, and you guys both get something out of it, which are the photos. They're trying to build their portfolio, you're trying to build yours. And that's how I did my first few shoots. Definitely something to see your face and something to see your body to start out. And then, those are gonna be the first that I would recommend.